Have you ever wondered if the person you're talking to online is actually who they claim to be? Well, welcome to the curious world of deepfake AI. This is a realm where artificial intelligence takes the reins to conjure up or modify digital content, making it appear as real as you or me. Picture this, a video clip of a renowned celebrity or a world leader doing something completely out of the ordinary. You'd think it's a scoop, right? But here's the twist. It might just be the crafty work of deepfake AI making a virtual puppet out of the person. It's like the ultimate ventriloquist act where artificial intelligence is pulling the strings. It creates or alters video and audio content so convincingly that it's nearly impossible to tell it's not real. So, when you see a video of a celebrity doing something out of character, you might want to think twice. Now you might be wondering, how does this mind-boggling technology work? Well, let's dive in. Imagine a deepfake AI as an incredibly talented artist, but this artist has never seen a face before. To teach our artist to draw faces, we provide it with thousands, even millions of portraits, and let it study them meticulously. This process is called machine learning. The AI, or our artist, is trained to recognize patterns in the data it's fed. It observes how light falls on a face, how expressions change, how a smile transforms the face, every little detail. And as it learns, it begins to understand the underlying structure of a face. Once our artist has studied enough, it can start creating its own portraits. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of just drawing random faces, our artist can now create a portrait that looks exactly like a specific person, say, a celebrity or even your next-door neighbor. How does it do that? Well, it uses the same principles it learned from studying all those faces. It understands the common patterns, the shapes, the lighting, and applies them to the new face it's creating. But remember, this is not just any artist. This is an AI artist. It doesn't just create one portrait. It creates thousands of slightly different versions and selects the one that looks most like the target person. Essentially, it's a process of trial and error, or as we call it in the tech world, an iterative process. And the result? A deepfake video that's so realistic it's downright spooky. It's not just about replicating the face, but also the expressions, the movements, the subtle nuances that make us uniquely human. This is why deepfake technology is so powerful, and also why it can be so dangerous. But we'll get into that a bit later. For now, just remember this. The Mechanics of Deepfake AI is a fascinating blend of art and science. It's like teaching a brilliant artist to perfectly mimic the style of another artist. As you can imagine, the implications of deepfake AI are far-reaching. It's like a double-edged sword, capable of both tremendous good and potentially devastating harm. Let's start with the brighter side of the blade. Picture this. You're a filmmaker on a shoestring budget, creating a historical epic. You dream of a cast filled with legendary actors, but alas, your budget has other plans. Enter deepfake AI. With this technology, you could create a believable performance from a past icon, breathing new life into their digital likeness. Imagine Marilyn Monroe gracing the silver screen once more, or a young Clint Eastwood riding into a dusty sunset. Or perhaps you're a visual effects artist working on the next big superhero blockbuster. Deepfake AI can help you create seamless transformations from an actor's everyday appearance to their superhuman alter ego. From the subtlest wrinkle to the most dramatic metamorphosis, deepfake AI can help you craft visual magic. But the sword has another edge. This same technology that can resurrect cinema legends and create stunning visual effects can also be used to spread misinformation and perpetrate identity theft. Imagine scrolling through your news feed and coming across a video of a world leader declaring war, only to find out later it was a deepfake. Or even scarier, what if someone used your own likeness to create a deepfake video, putting words in your mouth that you've never said, or actions you've never done? The potential for misuse is chilling, and it's a reminder of the responsibility we carry when wielding such a powerful tool. It's like a fire, capable of providing warmth and light, but also capable of causing great destruction if not handled with care. And so the double-edged sword swings. The same technology that could revolutionize filmmaking and visual effects also holds the potential to undermine truth and personal security. It's a tool that can be used for good or bad, depending on the hands it falls into. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap. We started off by peeling back the layers of the enigma that is deepfake AI. It's a cutting-edge technology that uses artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic images and videos. It's like a chameleon in the digital world, capable of disguising itself as anyone or anything. Then we dived into the mechanics of how deepfake AI works. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? It's like a digital artist at work, meticulously crafting every detail. The AI uses something called generative adversarial networks, or GANs, which is basically a contest between two AI systems. One creates the fakes and the other scrutinizes them. It's a continuous game of one-upmanship until the counterfeit is so convincing it's indistinguishable from the real thing. But like many things in life, deepfake AI is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has some intriguing applications. Imagine being able to recreate historical figures for educational purposes, or bring back beloved actors for new performances. It's like having a time machine at our disposal. On the other hand, there are potential pitfalls. Deepfakes could be misused for malicious purposes, like spreading false information or creating non-consensual explicit content. It's a stark reminder of the ethical implications that come with such powerful technology. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our deep dive into deepfake AI. It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? A testament to the incredible advancements in technology, but also a reminder of the responsibilities that come with it. Remember, in a world where seeing is no longer believing, it's important to stay informed and vigilant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content.